In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a powerful strategy that you can use even as a beginner to start earning money online with CPA marketing. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So basically, as you can see, this is earning for today. And looking at the server time right here is just about 2 minutes away from the end of today. All right, so I'm going to show you some statistics right here. As you can see, March 24th, 2023, and I'm going to show you some of the offers right here that have brought me leads for today. So basically, you can see these are some of the offers that brought leads for today. And as you can see right here, this is the IP address that completed this offer. So I'm going to basically blur this out for the people's privacy. Okay. And also you can see this is the payout for these offers, but I'm going to show you how I promote these CPA offers and how I make money promoting these CPA offers. So I'm going to walk you through everything in this video. As long as you stick to the end of this video, you would definitely make money using this strategy. So the first thing you want to do is to basically pick an offer. As you can see, this is one of the leads that I got for today for this offer. Okay, and this offer paid out $2.40. So I'm going to show you how I promote this offer and how I made money promoting this particular offer. And also you may be wondering, how do you promote offers even for countries like Argentina right here or India who you don't understand their language? So all you just need to do is to copy the title of the offer. So you want to come over to translate.google.com. So once you come over to this website, all you just need to do is to paste in the title of that offer, and you want to select the text language. So once you paste in the title of the offer right here, it's going to translate it to English, and then you will understand what the offer is all about. Okay, so basically this is how you can go for offers that are translated in other languages. But basically I'm going to be using this US offer as an example, which says claim your Amazon gift card now. And now, like I said earlier, this offer is going to pay $2.40. So you want to basically head over to canva.com. You want to come over to this section videos, and you want to select mobile video. So once you come over to Canva, then the next step is to basically click on this text icon, and you want to drag this heading, and then you want to paste it right here, and you want to write something like want to win a $100 Amazon gift card. So you want to type in something like this, and feel free to change this $100 to whatever amount you want. So once you do that, the next step is to basically come over to this animate, and you want to give it some cool animation. I'm going to take this one as an example. So all I just need to do is to click on that. And if you play this video, it's going to apply the animation to the text. So now you want to go over to element section. So now all you just need to do is to grab the square element, and you want to drag it right here, and you want to change the color to something like, let's say, peach color. And all you just need to do is to drag this and paste it behind this text. Okay, so I'm going to drag this something like this so that it makes the text stand out. So basically, so as to not prolong the video, as you can see, I have done all the editing, and I'm going to show you a preview of what the end product looks like. So if I play this video, as you can see, want to win $100 Amazon gift card. As you can see the video of the person right here, it's really easy to enter. You can see an image of Amazon right here. Click the link in the description to enter. And once they do that, you are going to see, and you could have $100 for free. And now it's going to say subscribe to the channel for more ways to win money online. So basically, this is how I make my videos super simple and straight to the point. And now to get videos to use, all you just need to do is to go over to website like pexels.com, and you want to type in keywords related to whatever offer you are promoting. Okay, so since this offer is related to free money, all you need to do is to type in money, and you want to make sure to filter to videos. And once you do that, you're going to have access to numerous videos that you can use for absolutely free without copyright issues. So basically, once you do that, the final thing you want to do is to add an audio to the video. And now to get free audio that you want to use for this video, you want to go over to this website pixabay.com/music. So once you do this, you are going to have access to various music that you can use for free. Okay, so now you are going to see ideas of type of music that you can use. So you want to click on this relaxing. So once you do that, as you can see, you can preview any music you want. And basically, if you like the music, all you just need to do is to click on this download to download the music. And as you can see, it's going to download to your device right away. So once you have the music downloaded, you want to come back to Pexels and you want to upload the music. All you just need to do is to drag and drop the music file right here, and once you do that, your music will be added to this video, and all you just need to do from here, you can click on this play button to preview the music. So once you've added the music and everything looks good, all you just need to do is to come over to the share section and you want to click on this download to download this video. Okay, so once you've downloaded the video, this is all you need to do, and this is how I create my videos for free on Canva. So now what you want to do next is to basically go to youtube.com and you want to create a YouTube channel and you want to give that channel a name. So once you've created a YouTube channel, which is absolutely free, all you need to do is to click on this create button and you want to click on upload video. So once you come over to this section, this is where you want to click here and you want to upload the video. Once the video is uploaded, you want to give the video a title. So basically you want to keep your title simple, short, and straight to the point. Okay. So once you type in something like this, now for the description, this is where you are going to be pasting the link to the CPA offer. So this is where you are going to be pasting the offer link. So basically another strategy you can do is to basically come over to the description and write in something like more products you can win. So once you do this, then you want to head over to other network like adworkmedia.com or CPA lead. So once you come over to CPA lead, as you can see, we have another Amazon gift card offer right here. All you just need to do is to copy the title of the offer. You can see this another one for PayPal. So once you copy the title of the offer, all you just need to do is to click on the offer itself and you want to grab the link to the offer. Then you want to head over to cut.ly and all you just need to do is to paste in the link to the offer right here. And once you do that, all you just need to do is to shorten the link. Then you want to copy the shortened link. Then you want to go back to the description of the video and you want to basically paste in the link to that offer. And I can assure you, once people come over to the description of the video, they are going to complete the offer. Okay, so basically the more offers you add, the more money you are going to make. So basically this is the strategy I use to promote as many CPA offers as possible. So all you just need to do is to make the free videos on Canva, and basically you can get free footages you can use on pexels.com. And for music to use, you can come over to Pixabay to get free music to use. And all you just need to do is to look for similar offers on other networks like CPA lead, like I mentioned earlier, or adworkmedia.com. I know this is a very simple strategy, but I can guarantee you, if you make more videos and post them regularly, you are guaranteed to make money with this simple strategy. So basically it's a very simple method that even a complete beginner can use and start earning passive income with CPA marketing. So basically this brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.